Hi guys! For today's video, we will make banana cake. So the ingredients we need for this recipe are 5 large ripe bananas, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, half cup of dark brown sugar, 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of buttermilk. So first, as you can see, I'm mashing the bananas. So guys, after mashing your 5 ripe bananas, just set it aside. And then now you can see me combining all the dry ingredients. Let's put all together the dry ingredients, which are the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt together. After combining all of this, let's whisk it very well and then set it aside. But before that, guys, please make sure to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius and grease a 9x13 inches pan. Using a handheld or stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, beat the batter on high speed until smooth and creamy, about 1 minute. And then add both sugars and beat on high speed for 2 minutes until creamed together. Scrape down the sides and up the bottom of the bowl with a rubber spatula as needed. Add the eggs and the vanilla, guys. Beat on medium-high speed until combined. Then beat in the mashed bananas. Scrape down the sides and up the bottom of the bowl as needed. With the mixer on low speed, add the dry ingredients in 3 additions, alternating with the buttermilk and mixing each addition just until incorporated. Do not overmix, guys. The butter will be slightly thick and a few lumps is okay. So now you can spread your butter into the prepared pan. Bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Baking times vary, so keep an eye on yours. The cake is done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. If you find the top of the cake is browning too quickly in the oven, loosely cover it with aluminum foil. Oh my god, I forgot the cereals inside. Jeez, now I have to clean it first.
When you forgot that you put something inside the oven and you needed to bake banana cake.